Hi guys. Good evening. Today I've come to Andheri East near MIDC at Akurti. You guys know it's my quest to find healthy street food, and the place I've come is a very beautiful chaat stall, which again I'm saying is bank opposite to Axis Bank near Akurti Centre. What really makes this chaat corner so unique is that this guy really churns out excellent, beautiful, yummylicious chaat, and what's really more special is that this guy serves a very non-traditional sprouted boiled chana, and this guy is adding all those nice freshly cut vegetables, tomatoes, you name it, tomatoes, onions, all with a dash of good homemade green chutney. Also, there's one point I am seeing something after the longest time is the cleanliness and the standards of hygiene that this roadside guy is maintaining. And I'm really seeing a lot of office goers making a stop at his place to savor the chaat prepared by him. Now, the ingredients that you see that's being used is something that this guy is really he's really chopping it in front of you, maybe onions, maybe tomatoes, so it does not give you that stale feeling of food being served to you. Also, this guy is taking a lot of care to ensure that the chana is really boiled in a very nice environment. What you actually saw as a green chutney is something that this guy actually made before he started his day. That chutney is mind-boggling, guys. This is what really makes this chaat very special. Now, the other thing that I really tried was a sukha bel puri. The ingredients typically were still the same. I actually told him to moderate the chutney because that was really spicy. So for guys having a very spicy, who love spice, this guy is a must visit. Guys, again, I just wish to tell you, anything and everything that this guy had to offer was savored by me and my colleague, and we really loved visiting this place. Again, this place is bank opposite to Axis Bank on the main MIDC road near Akurti Centre. I would love that you guys come and visit this place. Also, please do not forget to subscribe and share, and continue watching this space for more videos from me.